Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the Lululemon Always Effortless jacket in the color Bone. Now we did try on the Always Effortless jacket previously in a different colorway, in a kind of more maroon dark color, which I do not believe is still available, and we saw this bone colored perfect for spring jacket and needed to try it and show you all this color. So taking a look at the jacket, once again, this is just a really cool jacket. There's a lot of panels, a lot of design to it, and as far as pricing goes for Lululemon, this is not the most expensive. So it's $148, and mostly jackets from Lululemon are in the upper $100 range, or even the low $200 range. So I did really think that this was, a good jacket, a lot of value for your money. It does have this little roll-up option so you can hide the hood, which is always a really great feature for something as lightweight as this, that you don't always need a hood, but want to have the option. Now looking inside the jacket, you can see that you do have two additional kind of hidden pockets, which again is just another feature that kind of takes this garment to the next level. If you've ever heard about kind of pricing for garments based on their features, of course it's always more expensive to add additional features, so they really did go all out with this jacket. You also see that there is a vent in the back of the jacket, so it could be a very easy breezy, lightweight spring choice. Now, as Lululemon often does, they have a secret pocket inside the left pocket, which I always love. I think that's a feature that a lot of men's clothing has, so anytime I see it in a woman's piece, I am just so excited. Now, something I also love about this coat is that it does have the snaps on the outside in addition to the zipper. So as you can see, I can snap it from kind of top down. You can snap it all the way down, but especially from top down, if you kind of just want a little bit of coverage, you can definitely do that even with one hand. Now this jacket has been out for a while, so let me know in the comments below if you have it, if you love it, if you would buy it again. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.